Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your screen in Meet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Meet, but because you cannot hear my voice while I'm recording my screen when I'm on a meeting, then you can follow the clicking steps that I do. So I'm going to join a meeting. So I hope you could see how you can share your screen. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.